Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. Today I've got Chloé boots because I would like to show you boots that they are very similar to Chloé. If you think that maybe these boots they're overpriced, too expensive, you don't like the Chloé brand maybe, I don't know, you can always find something similar and much cheaper. This video, it's not gonna be too long. I just would like to show you boots that they are very similar to Chloé and they will be Gino Rossi. They're supposed to be this way. Gino Rossi brand. I don't know what is wrong with the old boxes that I've got this time. It is completely damaged. Just 3 pairs I've got. They are totally damaged. They will be very similar, I promise you. You can see the boot on the side and you can see the boot on the side. They don't have any laces on the back like Chloé have, but they are very, very similar. Of course, they will be super wide. They will be too big for sure, but the heel on the back and the front, it is very similar to Chloé, and I will take off one of my boots and we will make a proper compare. First of all, I took them in the size 38 because sometimes I think that 38 size it is okay. They were sold out for a few weeks, I think, but since the size 38 came back to stock, I thought that okay, I want them. They are also available in the green color, so I think it is also nice offer if they have more colors. So you know, like the Chloé, they've got these boots in the like burgundy color, brown color and the black, of course. I think black they will match everything, so that's why I would like to try the black. Maybe the green color I will order too, so I will show you this color if you will like this video enough. So let's try these boots, and like I said, first we will make a little compare. It is not like copy because like I said, there is no laces on the back, so they're not exactly the same, they are not copies, but the shape of the boot, it is incredible similar. Like I said, if the Chloé boots they are too expensive for you, you have these boots, and what it is good, Chloé boots they don't have any zip. I just have to double check. No, they don't have any zip at all. They are pull-on boots. Advantage of these boots, there is a zip, so you can make them fit, you can trim them a little and they will be perfect for your legs. I like the heel because it is medium. I love these boots, this type of the boots with the jeans, so that's why today I'm wearing jeans. I'm wearing the black gloves to match these boots, and let's make a compare. Boot 1-to-1. I can show you these boots like this. You can see the line, it is very similar. You can see the heel, it is very similar too. You can see the shape. That's Chloé, that's Gino Rossi. Even the line over there, it is very, very similar too. I've got size 39 with the Chloé boots and they are size 38, so they are just slightly smaller, but you see, they are almost similar. Chloé, of course, they are more shiny, but I don't know if the black Chloé boots, maybe I should order like black Chloé boots to show you them even better. Of course, we can see the top of the boot, it is slightly different because the Chloé have a nice round shape on the back, and here we've got like just straight, but it is still good, still look nice. Then we have a little laces on the back, which is very nice, and then we have nothing, just slit on the back like this, and inside, of course, we have nice brown leather, and the Chloé boots, they are also made with this brown leather too. So incredible boots. If, for example, we have the situation I don't have these boots at all, I would like to keep them because they are great casual everyday boots. Maybe I could trim them a little on the back. For sure, I will leave the length, and they are really, really great boots. So, like, you know, Chloe number 2. Do not go, run to the shop for these boots. Do you know how nice they are? I think leather, it is much thicker. Of course, quality of the leather with Chloé, there is like, I won't compare that. Just I can compare that this leather, it is a little bit more elastic, and this is more strong leather, thicker. But shape, it is incredible, similar to Chloé boots. They are very comfy. If you're looking for nice, strong leather, a bit oversized, long boots, over knee, that they look incredible with the jeans, with any coat. Can you imagine this with the biker jacket? Oh my God, love these boots. I think that I could keep them, actually. I could keep them if I have enough space in my wardrobe. They cost like 120, 150, depends from the day, because one day you will get an offer, an extra 20% off. On the other day, you will get like just maybe 10% off. If you sign a newsletter, then you can get 5%, I think. They will always send you any message. Just every day there is like a promo code, and every day the price change a bit bigger, smaller. Sometimes the size, it is sold out, but on the next day will come back, or maybe next week. So don't worry about the size. If you love these boots, I think that they are really great because they are very comfy for walking, they are really nice, they are a bit oversized as you can see, but still very good boots. With the biker jacket, with any blazer, will be really incredible. So I think that with the jeans and something black on, it's gonna be really a great boot to wear for every day. They are not like, I don't think so that these boots I can call them elegant boots, more like street style for me, casual look. Incredible quality for this price. If you really love the Chloé boots, but your budget it is like a little bit lower than you cannot afford the Chloé boots, then definitely these boots they are great. I have similar with H&M, but has been sold out really quickly. I think not only me can see the that these boots they are similar. So, well, Gino Rossi, so much leather on these boots. This is really like great inside, outside. Even the heel it is with leather made. So as you can see, there is a zip, so you can make them trim. And for me, they are really great boots. If they are too long for you, you can always take them to the shoemaker. He can make them shorter. He can make them knee high if you don't like them over knee. So with the boots that you can buy quite cheap, you can always do something more about. You can always personalize these boots to your style. Sometimes I do with some boots like this. Some boots I cut it off. Some boots I trim. Some boots I change the heel, for example. Still, I'm waiting from, I think, October or November for my boots, because I changed the top of the boot. I changed the heel for sure. And I don't remember what else will be changed. But I'm waiting like 3 months now. So I hope that soon these boots will be okay. I'm afraid that something it is wrong, but maybe it's just my bad feeling. Okay, so let me know what do you think about these boots. For me, they are really great, and I can recommend you them. If you love the Chloé boots and you don't want to spend that money for Chloé, they are perfect. I hope that you like this video. This is my little compare, like I promised, about the Chloé boots and the Gino Rossi boots, like much, much cheaper boots, like 1/10 of the price. So I will leave the links below this video, of course, to Chloé boots, because maybe you love the Chloé, and to the Gino Rossi boots I will leave the links below too. This is not any sponsored video, this is not any ad. I bought these boots and I would like to just show you the compare, because I told you about this, that I found these boots, but I've been waiting for size to come back. So I am so happy that I could show you these boots. Maybe the H&M boots will back too, but if they will back, I will order them and I will show you these boots as well. So thank you so much once again. Please subscribe and see you soon in the next video. Bye.